The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route the fuel. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. Leaving fuel sitting in the carburetor for a month or more at a time can cause varnish and corrosion to form inside, restricting or stopping the flow of fuel. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your tool's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now I'll remove the screws that secure the air filter base and carburetor to the engine. Now I'll remove the throttle cable from the carburetor and the fuel lines. Before I remove the fuel lines, I'll note the location for reassembly. Now I'll install the new carburetor. First I'll reattach the fuel lines and the throttle cable. Now I'll reinstall the carburetor gasket. I align it with the isolator. Then I'll place the screws that secure the carburetor and air filter base through the carburetor and insert them through the gasket and the isolator. Now I can secure the screws. And I'll finish up by replacing the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to install a new carburetor on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.